glad that you are still alive.
And welcome to our army. An army where our technical sales managers are our soldiers, sent into battle every day. A battle where it's not about lives, it's about new customers and keeping the best customers. Their best weapons are presentation, knowledge with years of experience, and most importantly, individual and personal attention to focus on the exact needs of the customer. They like big cars, fast gadgets, and anything cool. Our project managers are like warriors sent into a fight. Every day they venture into the unknown to win new customers and take care of existing ones. It's a battle they fight with determination and courage. But our battle is different. It's not about winning at all costs. It's about being fair, honest, and trusted. Because we know that's the only way to win the hearts of our customers. And what's the best thing about our team? That they're not afraid. That they don't compromise. That they're there for each other. It's just that sometimes they shoot their own heads off. We're a team, and as a team, we stick together. Our sales representatives are smiling faces, but they have no mercy. They're heroes who drive fancy cars, ready to go into battle for DCT and you. So the next time you meet with one of our sales reps, you don't just see a guy in a polo shirt. You see a warrior, a fighter who's ready to go into combat for you.